Hello everyone. This is Imtiaz Begum, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. Today I am going to take session 15 of Employee Welfare and Social Security of 5th semester BBA, Bangalore North University. Under that, agencies of labor welfare and their roles. Recap. In the previous class, we had discussed about the impact of International Labour Organization on labor welfare in India. Learning objective of the chapter. This chapter aims to provide an understanding of agencies of labor welfare and their rules. Session outcome. The student will be able to discuss the role of labor welfare agencies in India. Now, agencies of labor welfare in India. In India, many agencies are responsible and taking care for the enactment and implementation of labor welfare measures and activities. They are, first one we have central government, state government, employers, trade unions, social service agencies, labor welfare legislations. First, we will discuss about central government. Central government provides different schemes. They are in 1947, Coal Mines Labor Welfare Fund was enacted. In 1961, Iron Ore Mines Welfare Act was enacted. In 1961, Coal Mines Labor Welfare Fund was created. In 1976, Manganese Ore Mines Labor Welfare Cess Act was passed. Many more activities like 67 multi-purpose institutes, 4 women come children welfare and education center, 3 adult education center, and a hoarding house for children are being run under the supervision of the central government. Next, we have is state government. Depending upon the number of industry in that particular state, state government will take the initiative. Initially, Bombay government came to provide the labor welfare centers in 1937, which were providing some labor welfare facilities. Later, the government of Uttar Pradesh and Bengal followed these schemes. At present, most of the states and union territories have their own labor welfare centers. In 1953, the Bombay Labor Welfare Fund Act was passed, which was applicable to industry with more than 50 laborers. In 1965, Gujarat Labor Welfare Fund Act, Punjab Labor Welfare Fund Act 1965, the Mysore Labor Welfare Fund Act 1961 were enacted. The Assam Employee Welfare Act 1959 was passed. All these acts were passed mainly to provide different labor welfare measures to their employees. Next, we have is labor welfare activities by employers. Many employers and their various associations are doing welfare activities on their own initiative. The different employers in some of the major industrial undertakings are in cotton textile mills, paper, cement, and sugar industries, mines industry, plantation industry, railway department, post offices, and telegraph departments. Next, we have is labor welfare Next we have is labor welfare works done by trade unions. These program facilities refers to the different activities which are being done by trade unions for the benefits of their members. Under that, organization of adult literacy and leadership programs promoted and organized by different trade unions. Trade union colleges set up by INTUC and AITUC. Publication of labor welfare activities done by their respective companies. Establishment of libraries, workers' club, cooperative stores, and housing with the help of trade union. Most important welfare work is done by Textile Labor Association, which organizes music, dance, and social gathering. Mazdoor Sabha of Kanpur provides funds for retirement, death, and sicknesses. Next, we have is labor welfare activities provided by social service agencies. Under that, we have Bombay Social Service League, Seva Sadhan Society, Women Council, YMCA, United National International Children's Emergency Fund, Maternity and Infant Welfare Association, Mahila Samitis, Seva Sadhan, and so on. These are the agencies which are working mainly to provide welfare to the society or the employees. Next we have is different labor welfare legislations, which includes dock worker regulation, regulation of employment act 1948, motor transport workers act 1961, coal mine act 1952 for regulating payments of wages and bonus. Then we have social security and labor welfares are provided by Fatal Accident Act 1955, Employee State Provident Fund Act 1952, Employee State Insurance Act 1948, Maternity Benefit Act 1961. I have framed few questions. Among them, Social Security and Labor Welfare Acts includes Fatal Accident Act 1955, Employee State Provident Fund Act 1952, Employee State Insurance Act 1948. The agencies which are provide labor welfare activities, it includes state government, central government, employer, and so on. The Assam Employee Welfare Fund Act was passed in the year 1959. Labor welfare activities do not include salary. Expansion of ILO, it is International Labor Organization. Thank you very much.